Evening traders. I want to review the trades, how it is superior using time weighted average price plus RSI. Okay. I'm going to show you how you could have taken the trade. Let me go to the 15-minute time frame. See, what happened in the market is market gapped up and the first candle was a bearish candle. And also what you need to do is, where is the resistance? You need to mark. There was a fair value gap. I already talked about the TWAP gaps. These are the TWAP gaps. Usually market will try to fill that gap. That's what happened now while closing of the market. Now, in the opening bell, what happened here is, I'm showing how you could have decided. RSI started moving higher, but this is the previous peak high. Now it started moving higher. There was no steps actually. You cannot see steps. Let me zoom it out so that means there is no momentum in the market. You should understand the steps should be like this, spread apart. When the steps are not spread apart, naturally you can see the market has gone in range, and you can see TWAP average price is also clustering together, clustering around. And only thing what it indicated here is RSI indicated in this cluster, market is going to go down. Let me make it to the 5-minute chart so that RSI will show you clear indication. Here, when it came down, this was the low. And another low was higher low. Later, even the price was at the same place, the RSI made a leg down. That was an indication of like what the price sweeps the liquidity. Like that, RSI has gone beyond this level, so it should not have gone. These are all higher lows. When it went low and also it swept the liquidity of the higher high, it made an higher high. That was an indication. In the price action, that is also an indication. We do consider it as a liquidity sweep because multiple times the sellers were induced. Sellers were made to induce. Induce means for the liquidity grab, the sellers were made to induce so many times it hit the level and there was the rejection in the market. Finally, all these seller stop losses were swept. RSI told weakness here and it swept the liquidity. This was the area you could have gone short in the market. There, 23,200 put option came around 94 rupees. From 94 rupees, it rallied up to, let me go there. Options. 23,200 put option. Put option. Okay. Now it is trading around 83. See, you can see the reading in the morning, today's morning. You can see here, correspondingly, it made around 83. Yeah, it was the low. From 94 only it gave buying. See, here clearly RSI made a leg up and TWAP also showing a reversal. Let me make it to 15-minute time frame so that you can see the price, average price turning around. you can see the average price. If I place the cursor, it is showing 121, and then it went up to 123. The low was 101. The low was 101. So here it gave a signal correspondingly in the Nifty chart, sell signal. Then this put option, if you would have taken position, actually there was lot of whipsaw in the market, but it needs practice to master this till it rallied up to 205, from 101 to 205. So you cannot enter exactly at 101. Suppose by seeing this, if you would have entered here around 125, so you could have made 200, it has gone up to 200, solid 100 points or 90 points you could have made. So it also gave sell signal. You can see sell signal. So early you are getting RSI. There is no divergence. We are not getting any divergence over here. But when compared to this, it was a lower, higher low. So there TWAP gave you early signal with the bearish candle. So if you join this TWAP, there is bend in the average price. See, if I place the cursor, TWAP reading 200.77 and the bearish candle TWAP reading 192. Keeping the 192 as stop loss, suppose if you would have entered into the market, suppose, say for example, you have entered around 169. Lot of difference is there. There was lot of volatility in the market. So it needed very precise entry. If you would have entered here around 100 and why it is showing like that 100 so it is showing the low is 136 and this TWAP level it is showing closing price it is showing. It is not picking up. This is 192. 192. Oh, this was a sell-off. Why I am showing this sell-off? So from here, if you would have sold, sorry, instead of showing call option, I am showing this. Call option also gave buy signal 23,000. Let me go to 23,950 call option because market came to that level. So I was watching this. Can you see where it is closed? 23,950 call option. You can see the divergence in the market. In the 15 minutes chart, though price made a lower low in the call option, and you can see clearly there is higher low in the RSI reading. And TWAP started picking up from here. The price was around 122. The low was made 108. So if you could have captured that from 108 to 227, like a put option, equal amount of gain, you could have. Both the sides market gave opportunity, but if with the help of this RSI, let me go to Nifty chart, show you, see, you can make out from here itself. Here, you can see the market was coming down, step down, and it engulfed this step, engulfed all these two steps and moving above the its own moving average, 14 period moving average at this candle. That is the reading of the Nifty was 23,016 and the low made was 23,986. That is 986 means uh, 14 plus 14 plus 16, it gives to 20, 30 points. 30 points, for the 30 point stop loss, if you are trading in the money or the money, you need to put 30 rupees stop loss because delta will be equal. So, an equal amount of erasement will be there. For the precaution, you can do that. Is it there? Let me go to the put option. Okay. Call option. 22,950 call option. Here, in the next candle, you got the trade. You can see 112 and the close is 136. 112 and 136, you can clearly make out that is 24 points stop loss. When compared to this 130, almost 30 points stop loss you need to keep, and you can enter into the market. By seeing this TWAP showing strength, average price showing the strength after the downfall, and also RSI sweeping. I mean, you can see how swiftly it has moved above that is the momentum in the market. In this candle, probably big money might have come over here. That's why it has gone up. There was no look back from there. Suppose even if you would have entered around 136 or 126, you could have captured the money up to 238. It has gone up to 238. See, even your complicated trades can be made easy if you practice this. It needs practice. First, you should not do on your own account. You should practice on your paper account or paper trading. I don't know whether TradingView is giving paper trading. You can try that. So without emotions, you master that. And with emotions, you start mastering with one lot. When there is perfect entry, then you see the different presentations will be in the RSA. It needs, it needs real patience, and also it needs much practice. I'm telling you, you need to practice like anything. Unless you practice, unless you see the chart, it is like a ECG pulse. It changes. If you can pick up those signals fast, if you can understand those signals, if you can decipher these signals into buying or selling for your opportunity, then you will become a successful trader. So this is how the trade paired today, both the sides, call option and put option. Let us go to the daily time frame and see there is a long leg dozy forming over here, closing inside, and you can see the weighted average price compared to the previous day. Sorry, let me go to the index. Let me go to daily time frame. You can clearly see weighted average price has increased. From previous day, it was 23,042 and weighted average price is 23,156. Price has closed around at the level of the average price. Then any dip in the market for tomorrow can give you a buying opportunity. There is a gap in this TWAP gap up to 23,342. So morning you need to wait patiently for the setup to get your setup. Let me go to the 15 minutes, whether it has given an overbought condition. No, not it. Overbought condition, no. Probably if it gaps up, it can become RSI can become overbought position. then you can look for shorting opportunity because you are trading near the resistance. It becomes a resistance now. See, these are the clustered weighted average price. If you take the average clustered average price, it comes around 23,220. So almost Nifty is around 23,000. It has closed around 155. 220 is 70 points away from the resistance, then you need to be cautious. So if it gives dip down and then it moves, you will get an opportunity to enter into the market. Let us check. Let me apply. Let me hide this and let me apply. Okay, I need to remove this. Apply Z indicator for any bullish signal is there. Okay. Z indicator. Let me go to the 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame. So it is a dozy candle. Dozy candle. And if I go to the daily candle, still it has not closed strong. Probably Nifty may face resistance around let me go to the 15 minutes. It may face resistance around 23,227. It may go for selling. So still on daily, on 2-hourly time frame, we are not seeing a very bullish green candle. Even though weighted average price, the boundary for the weighted average price, you can consider this low 23,081 as the support and 23,229 as the resistance. I am telling you people based on the average weighted price. So you can mark those things and you can trade. I hope this will help you to understand, practice the trade, practice it on paper trade, try to practice. This is how you need to see how there is a change in the, let me take out this Z trend, remove this and apply RSI. Careful observation of RSI, the trends, you can make a very good trade. So you got a sell trade. In my next video, I'm going to make a video with the Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band, that is a unique strategy. It has not, nobody has done, I believe. I'm going to make that and I will show it to you how it will help you because visual representation is also necessary with the Bollinger Band and RSI, how trade can be executed. I'm going to make a video strategy on that. To wait for that, please kindly subscribe to my channel, support my channel because I'm doing genuine video to help you people to be profitable. I'm trying my best to show all the secrets, what I've learned. These are all my observations. By my observations, I have found out all these things. You too can find out these things by keen observation on the market. From now onwards, try to observe the market very keenly. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.